The Hasselblad X2D II is a pinnacle of medium format photography, combining cutting-edge technology with legendary Hasselblad craftsmanship. Designed for professional photographers and serious enthusiasts, this camera delivers unparalleled image quality with its ultra-high resolution sensor and advanced color science. Its sleek, ergonomic design makes it both powerful and intuitive to use, whether in the studio or on location. With lightning-fast autofocus, robust build, and seamless connectivity, the X2D II is built to push creative boundaries and capture every detail with stunning clarity. Experience the next level of photographic excellence with the Hasselblad X2D II. The Hasselblad X2D II exudes Scandinavian minimalism and mechanical elegance in equal measure. Every contour, every dial, and every seam speaks of precision engineering. The milled aluminum body feels as though it has been carved from a single block of purpose, maintaining the clean, geometric design language that has become synonymous with the X system. Subtle refinements distinguish the Icon from its predecessor: a slightly deeper hand grip, improved button tactility, and a redesigned top display that provides better visibility in bright light. The build quality is uncompromising, with weather sealing extended across critical points for reliable outdoor operation. At 895 grams, it's substantial yet balanced, the kind of weight that reinforces stability when paired with XCD lenses. The controls remain sparse but deliberate, each one serving a clear purpose. The top-mounted shutter speed and ISO dials retain their satisfying resistance, while the rear touchscreen now responds with greater precision and reduced latency. Even the shutter button has been subtly refined for a smoother half-press feel. The large, crisp electronic viewfinder remains a joy to use, now with improved brightness and faster refresh rates, making manual focusing on the razor-thin depth of field of medium format lenses a pleasure rather than a chore. In short, the X2D II doesn't try to modernize the Hasselblad identity. It perfects it. It's a camera that feels both timeless and tactile, an instrument designed not for speed, but for the serenity of image making. At its heart lies a newly optimized 100-megapixel medium format CMOS sensor, measuring 43.8 x 32.9 mm, and it delivers nothing short of breathtaking image quality. The X2D II retains the core imaging DNA of its predecessor, but enhances dynamic range, tonal response, and color depth through a refined image pipeline and upgraded processor. Every frame captured through this sensor feels like a painting rendered in light, rich, nuanced, and full of dimensionality. The 16-bit color depth captures an astounding 281 trillion colors, ensuring gradations that look fluid and organic. Shadows retain texture, and highlights roll off gracefully, preserving details where smaller sensors crumble. Base ISO 64 continues to offer unmatched clarity and dynamic range, while improvements to high ISO handling make ISO 3200 entirely usable for large format output. Paired with Hasselblad's leaf shutter XCD lenses, images are tack-sharp across the frame, with virtually no distortion or chromatic aberration. The sensor's microlens structure has been optimized for corner illumination, producing even exposure and tone uniformity. The files, both RAW and JPEG, possess that unmistakable Hasselblad look, a luminous, almost three-dimensional rendering that evokes the feeling of film, yet retains the precision of digital. For studio, landscape, and fine art photographers, the X2D II stands as one of the purest imaging tools ever made, delivering results that feel alive, tactile, and profoundly human. If there's one word that defines Hasselblad, it's color. The X2D II continues to build upon the company's natural color solution, HNCS, a proprietary system that ensures accurate and harmonious hues straight out of the camera. Every file looks cinematic yet faithful, balanced yet expressive. Skin tones, often the hardest test, are rendered with remarkable grace, free from the plasticky or oversaturated tones seen in many competitors. Whether you're photographing a misty Nordic landscape or a golden hour portrait, the X2D II's color reproduction evokes mood, depth, and texture in a way that feels effortlessly analog. Whites stay clean, blacks are rich but never crushed, and mid-tones glow with lifelike warmth. Unlike many digital workflows that rely heavily on a LUTs or post-correction, the X2D II encourages you to trust its native color science. Each image emerges from the camera with a signature look, refined, elegant, and unmistakably Hasselblad. You can, of course, fine-tune tones and profiles within Focus, Hasselblad's proprietary software, or adapt the files for cinematic grading workflows, but often you won't want to change a thing. Simply put, Hasselblad doesn't chase vivid or flat color. It chases truth. And in a world of algorithmically enhanced saturation, that truth is refreshingly beautiful. Autofocus has long been the Achilles heel of medium format cameras, but the X2D II takes a confident leap forward. Equipped with a new hybrid AF system, combining phase detection and contrast detection points across a wider frame area, focus acquisition is faster, quieter, and significantly more dependable than before. Face and eye detection are now intelligently assisted by Hasselblad's refined algorithmic tracking, which feels natural rather than intrusive. While it doesn't chase the rapid subject tracking speeds of smaller sensor systems, the X2D II finally feels nimble enough for everyday and portrait use. Shutter response is near instant, aided by faster sensor readout and improved buffering that allows up to 3.3 FPS continuous shooting. Modest, yes, but perfectly adequate for its purpose. Usability refinements abound. Menu navigation is smoother, customization options have expanded, and touchscreen response is snappier. Dual CFX Press Type B card slots replace the previous single slot, vastly improving reliability for professional workflows. Battery life has been extended to over 500 shots per charge, and USB-C PD fast charging ensures quick top-ups on the go. In practice, the camera feels more responsive, more immediate, and more willing to keep pace with a creative flow. It's not about speed, it's about fluidity, and the X2D II nails that balance. While the X2D II remains primarily a stills-oriented camera, it finally acknowledges the hybrid needs of modern creators. The camera now supports 8K and 4K recording at up to 30p in 10-bit color, maintaining Hasselblad's signature tonal depth and cinematic rendering. The files are beautifully detailed, with minimal rolling shutter and exquisite color accuracy. Perfect for visual storytellers who demand filmic quality without the complexity of dedicated cinema rigs. More exciting, perhaps, is the improved connectivity suite. The X2D II introduces robust LAN and tethering capabilities via USB-C 3.2 and Wi-Fi 6, enabling seamless integration into studio and broadcast environments. You can tether directly to Hasselblad Focus, Lightroom, or Capture One, transfer files to local servers in real time, or even stream live footage over LAN, a nod to the evolving demands of commercial production. In-body 5-axis image stabilization, IBIS, provides up to 7 stops of compensation, dramatically improving handheld shooting and enabling low-light creative freedom that was previously impossible in medium format. The result is a camera that merges the grandeur of traditional Hasselblad imaging with the adaptability of a connected, modern workflow. Whether you're in a studio, out in the field, or on set capturing hybrid productions, the X2D II adapts with elegance. The Hasselblad X2D II isn't just a camera, it's an experience. Every interaction, from the click of the shutter to the depth of its files, reminds you that photography isn't about chasing specs, it's about the craft of seeing. It invites you to slow down, compose deliberately, and rediscover the art of image making. Yet, beneath its quiet demeanor lies formidable technology. A world-class sensor, impeccable color science, refined autofocus, and professional-grade connectivity. The result is a camera that honors Hasselblad's legacy while boldly stepping into the connected future of 2025. It's not for everyone, and that's precisely the point. For those who understand it, the X2D II isn't just a tool. It's a lifelong creative partner.